Nothing speaks volumes as an American breakfast like this classic sunny side up eggs with bacon and pancakes. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Start by adding the canola oil in a skillet and setting it to medium heat. Crack the eggs into the skillet, cooking it sunny side up, then set aside. Now cook the bacon in the same skillet. Then, prepare the pancake mix according to package instructions and cook accordingly. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.